Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a little different from what you've seen about TCL 40-inch S3 TVs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 TV models and put together a 200-plus page research document covering everything about every decent TCL 40-inch S3 out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with stuff you don't really care about, just to stretch the video to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you the 3 best TCL 40-inch S3 options right now. Plus, I'll share a few things about each one that actually matter, so you can just pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my entire research doc, completely free, and read it anytime this year. No joke. Alright, let's dive in. Top 3 TCL 40-inch S3 TVs and why. First up, NordVPN is the best choice if you want a secure VPN to pair with your TCL 40-inch S3 TV for streaming. Why? Well, it works great for streaming on devices like the TCL S3. Very important, right? Speed. It's literally one of the fastest I've tested. Smooth streaming, zero buffering, thanks to low ping and consistent speeds. Features. It's loaded with features. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, they've got it. Pricing and support. Great price for what it offers, and support is top-notch. Logs? Nope, they don't keep logs, that's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no issues, and pretty affordable for what you get. Negatives? The 10-device limit. Second best VPN for your TCL 40-inch S3 is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built for pure streaming performance. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently low ping. No buffering spikes, no drops, just smooth streaming on your TCL 40-inch S3. Features, all the essentials plus a bit more. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling. Perfect if you want to route just your TCL S3 TV traffic through the VPN or not. Pricing and support, one of the best values out there. Often cheaper than competitors but delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Logs, nope, they don't keep logs and it's independently audited. Encryption, best encryption tech available, AES 256. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which may worry privacy geeks. Also, the server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN, perfect for smooth streaming and great value. Third best VPN for your TCL 40-inch S3 is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It has a massive server network and tons of customization options. Speed, very good. The huge server network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby for streaming on your TCL S3. Features, packed with goodies, kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is pretty good and professional. Logs, nope, no logs policy proven in court. Encryption, best encryption out there, and it's even customizable. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based, and the app isn't quite as polished as the others. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget but want a huge network and advanced features to unlock more streaming content on your TCL 40-inch S3. And that's it. My top 3 VPN picks for your TCL 40-inch S3, NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one based on colors or logos, you'll be fine because they just work to boost your TCL 40-inch S3 streaming experience. Quick recap to wrap this up. If you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for streaming on your TCL 40-inch S3, with a premium feel, the most features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that gives you incredible bang for your buck. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN for your TCL 40-inch S3 with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste any more time. I've put exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description, so you can get the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.